What I have here is QuPanel 5G LTE MIMO 2x2 antenna. As you probably guessed from its name, it's a directional antenna which works at multiband LTE and 5G frequencies, with 7 dBi gain. It works in MIMO 2x2 technology, but MIMO 4x4 version is also available. On top of that, it's still compatible with 3G and 2G networks. The antenna improves signal in rural or suburban areas, where the mobile signal is weak. The antenna is predicted to be installed on the building, on wall or mast. Due to very wide working frequency range, the antenna is suitable to work for 5G bands N77 and N78, as well as other LTE bands. It's compatible with Teltonika routers, but also any other MIMO 2x2 LTE and 5G router. There are versions with 5-meter cables or 10-meter cables available. But if you need any other length, just let us know. We can prepare a custom cabling for you. How to use it? Just take your router, for example Route 240 or Route X11, and install the connectors on the mobile ports. 1 and 2. The router is already installed. It's really that easy. It's time to install the antenna on the mast. But first the mounting bracket. Don't forget the ground wire. That's complete installation of QuPanel antenna. Thank you for watching. Bye!